What's the meaning of civil liberty? Civil liberty. Civil liberty.
Civil liberty. Civil liberty. Civil liberty refers to the basic freedoms and rights guaranteed to individuals by the government, such as freedom of speech, assembly, religion, and due process of law. These liberties are essential for a functioning democratic society and protect individuals from oppressive government actions. Without civil liberties, a government can become authoritarian and violate the fundamental rights of its citizens. Therefore, civil liberties are critical to maintaining individual freedom, promoting justice, and upholding human dignity. They are a cornerstone of modern democracies and must be safeguarded to ensure a just and equitable society.